you today and welcome to Letscookolet. Today we want to show you how to make a cream pie, but we're splitting it into 3 stages. First one, we're making the pie shell. Second stage, we're making the pie filling. Third stage, we're putting everything together with the whipped cream. So let's start here. I have the pie dough is ready. I made it a few days ago. It was in the fridge. If you check one of this link here, the link I have above, you can see like how to make the pie crust. So let's start here, unwrap it, and I need just a little flour. Voila. Now it's the pie. We're gonna make sure flour under and on top. Make sure won't stick into the dough roller. Now here we go. Now I have a 9-inch aluminum pie plate, and here we go. Now what I need here, I'm just gonna put the saran wrap back in here. I'll put the other plate on top and I'll push it down. So when you push it down, you get all the pie crust equal thickness, edge or middle or side, they're all equal thickness. There we go. Now with the edge of a knife, we'll trim the remaining. Now I'll put the plate back in here, and your oven on the 400 and ready to go in the oven. The reason why I'm putting this plate here, so the pie won't bubble like air bubble in the middle, so it'll be like a balloon. So that way it's cooked. So probably about 6-7 minutes, then we'll remove it and we'll continue cooking it till you see a nice golden color for the pie crust. In the oven. Now in the meantime, we're waiting for the pie to be ready, for the pie crust to be ready. We're gonna make the filling. So what do I need here? I'm using 5% cream and cornstarch, egg yolk, sugar, and vanilla and rum extract here. Give it very good, nice, good mix. So why I'm using it in this bowl here? Because we're using it as a double boiler. I have a water boiling here in the pot, and we're gonna put this one goes right in here. There you go. And it's gonna take you about 10 minutes extra, which is fine, but better be safe than sorry. You don't have to be worried about stuck in the bottom and then you scrub, or you have to stir all the time. Now when the liquid warm up a little bit, I'm gonna add a green food coloring. It's about like 15 drop, and we're going to make this cream pie for St. Patrick's Day. So you add the food coloring, give it a little mix. We don't want to time it, as long as your pie crust nice and golden color like this and good to go. Voila, you can see it start thickening up a little bit. So let's check it out. Perfect, 170. It shouldn't be long, it should be ready. Now in the meantime, when it's almost ready, I'm gonna add a little bit butter and mix it till the butter completely melt, and should be ready any minute. Nice, look how thick it is now. Beautiful, nice and smooth. Turn off. cream pie. Beautiful. Look at this. Now ready to go in the fridge to chill, and we have to cool it down for at least like 3 hours. You have to put it, and if you have time, leave it longer time. The colder it is, the better it is when you cut it. So now we have our pie chilling in the fridge, so it's cooling down. We're gonna make the whipping cream. Whipping cream is 35% cream, a stabilizer. The stabilizer keep the whipping cream, especially on the pie, if you leave it on a table outside for a longer time, stay nice and firm, doesn't melt down. And icing sugar. Let's put it in, go down, and start on number 1, which is the low speed first to mix everything together, and then we increase the speed to the 4th speed. As you can see here, start thickening up a little bit. So now we're gonna add the vanilla, yellow coloring, and red coloring to make the orange color. Nice, beautiful whip. Look at this. Turn off, ready to go. Take it off. Look at this, beautiful. Isn't that nice? Perfect. Now you can put this on top of the pie like this, or you can put it in a piping bag. Our cream pie, it's ready to go. It's chilling in the fridge, nice and cold now. Our whipping cream ready, and I decided to use the piping bag. And our maraschino, green maraschino cherry ready as well. So all what we need now, just decorate it, cut it, and enjoy it. Voila. Now we'll put 1 cherry on the top. Nice. Look at this. Beautiful. So happy St. Patrick's Day, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.